Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Express Mathematics. Today I am with some problems on distance formula. Here in this question number 1 we have to show 3 points collinear. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now I'll start my today's topic. Here we have to prove the given 3 points to be collinear. Okay, so here co meaning is same, linear means related to line. Okay, so collinear means lying on the same line. Okay, in this way we can split the word and find its meaning. Wherever co word comes, then its meaning will be same. Now look at the solution to this question. Here we will find out distance between AB, BC and AC, and any two distance equals to third distance, then they lie on the same line. Okay, here the given points are A 42, B 10 10 and C 16 18. So you can suppose this to be x1 y1 and this to be x2 y2 while finding out AB. Now using distance formula, AB equals to distance formula, you know, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over to this. So here 10 minus 4, that will be 6 square plus 10 minus 2 at square. So from these calculations we will get 10 units. Okay, you are allowed to use calculator to calculate this. Let us find out BC. While finding out BC also we can follow the same procedure. So while finding out BC, you can suppose B to be x1 y1 and C to be x2 y2. So now x2 minus x1, 16 minus 10 square plus y2 minus y1, 18 minus 10 square, that gives you 6 square plus 8 square, that will also be 10 units when you calculate. Okay, so I'll show you the calculation on the side. 36, it is the 64, 6 4 10, it is 1 3 1 4 plus 600, square root of 100 will be 10. And again, to find out AC, you can suppose A to be x1 y1 and C to be x2 y2, then AC becomes x2, that is 16 minus 4, x2 minus x1, 16 minus 4 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that means 18 minus 2 and its square. 16 minus 4, that is 12 square plus 18 minus 2, 16 square root over to this. 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256. Let's add them together. Then while adding, you will get 144 plus 256, 400, that will be 400 square root will be 20 units. Okay, since here AB is 10, BC is 10 and AC is 20. AB plus BC equals to AC. The given points are collinear, because if you draw figure according to this information, A, B plus BC equals to AC. Okay, this is possible only when these 3 points are on the straight line. Otherwise, if these 3 points they lie this way, A, B, C lie this way, they lie, then AB plus BC will not be equal to AC, because triangle will be formed and sum of two sides will be greater than third side. AB plus BC could be greater than AC if they were not in a straight line. Okay, so they must be in a straight line. So this is not the case, this is our case. Okay, now let's move to next question. Here in 2 number, we have to prove that prove that A 4, 2 and B 4, 6 and C 8, 4 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So to prove that these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, we have to find out length of each sides using distance formula, and after that, if we can show that two sides are equal, then we will prove that these are the vertices of right angled triangle. Now look at the solution to this question. Okay. Here, okay, I am not writing detail like before, so you can suppose this to be x1, y1 and this to be x2, y2. So here AB will be using distance formula 4 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 2 square. That will be from this 0 square plus 4 square, that will be only 4 units, and BC will be 8 minus x2 minus x1 square, 8 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 6 square, that will be 4 square plus minus 2 square, that will be 16 plus 4, 20, root over 20, and that becomes 20, means we can write 4 times 5, that will be 2 root 5. Okay, so this thing you can find out from your calculator also. Root over 20 calculator gives you value directly 2 root 5, and this much units is the value of BC. And let us find out AC as well. AC equals to, here you can suppose this has x1 y1, this has x2 y2. So using distance formula, x2 minus x1 square, 8 minus 4 square plus y2 minus y1 square, 4 minus 2 square. Okay, root over to this. While finding out AC, we have supposed this has x1 y1 and this has x2 y2, and we have used x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, root over formula. So 8 minus 4 square, that will be 4 square, 4 minus 2 square, that is 2 square, that will be 4 square means 4 4s are 16, plus this 2 square means 4, 16 plus 4, it will be root over 20. And here BC equals to 2 root 5 we have got, and here AC equals to 20, means also we will get 2 root 5 units. So two sides are equal now. Here BC and AC are equal. Since BC equals to AC, okay, the given vertices are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so if we draw the figure for this, then it will be like this. Look at here. A, B, C. Here we have found out BC equals to AC. So BC and AC sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. A triangle having two sides equal is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, here we have to prove that 4, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8 are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. Here we have to prove that two sides of the triangle are equal, as well as we have to prove that one angle is 90 degree. To show one angle of the triangle 90 degree, we will show Pythagoras theorem true for this triangle. Now here also, for the solution, let A 4, 4, B 8, 4, C 4, 8 be the vertices of triangle ABC. Okay, then using distance formula, AB equals to x2 minus x1 square, 8 minus 4 square plus y2 minus y square, 4 minus 4 square, that will be 4 square plus 0 square, square root of 4 square, that will be 4 only. Similarly, BC also using distance formula. So this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and x2 minus x1 square, that will be 4 minus 8 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is 8 minus 4 square. That is difference of x coordinate square, difference of y coordinate square. 4 minus 8 square, that is minus 4 square plus 8 minus 4 square, that will be 4 square. Okay, here 4 for the 16 plus 16, that will be 32, and 32 you can write 16 times 2 root over this. Square root of 16 is 4 root 2 units. Similarly, let's find out AC. So AC equals to, in AC, difference of x coordinate square 4 minus 4 square plus difference of y coordinate square 8 minus 4 square, that will be 0 square plus 4 square, that will be 4. Okay, here is 4 units, this AB 4 units, AC is also 4 units. That means two sides of the triangle are equal, and here BC is the longest side. Now to prove Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, this longest side square equals to sum of the squares of the two other sides. If we can so, then this becomes right angle triangle. Now AB square equals to 4 square, that is 16. BC square equals to, here while squaring, this is root over 32, that will be 32 only, or 4 for the 16 to the 32. AC square will be 16. So this shows that BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. Therefore, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. Okay. So according to that means here H square equals to P square plus B square formula of Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. This shows that triangle ABC is, we have already shown that This is isosceles triangle because AB equals to AC. Also AB equals to AC. Okay, this shows that triangle ABC is isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, because two sides AB and AC are equal, and this Pythagoras theorem is also satisfied. Okay, so this is the isosceles right angle triangle. If you draw the figure for this, here so here AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. So it is the right angle triangle, right angle at A. So this is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, and also its two sides AB and AC are equal. This AB and AC are equal. This is isosceles triangle as well. Okay, both isosceles and right angle triangle. So if question only asks to show a right angle triangle, then this BC square equal to AB square plus AC square is enough. But if question asks to show isosceles triangle, then AB equals to AC. Two sides equal also should be shown. Okay. And now let's move to next question. So that the points A, B, C, and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. For to be parallelogram, we have to show that opposite sides of the quadrilateral equal. Then the figure will be the parallelogram. Okay, so first of all, let us draw the rough diagram for this. A 2 comma minus 4, B 8 comma 2, C 8 comma 16, D 2 comma 10, and now look at the solution to this question. Solution. Here AB, using distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, or difference of x coordinate square plus difference of y coordinate square, that will be 8 minus 2 square plus 2 minus from formula, and this minus 4, and its square. This implies AB equals to 8 minus 2, 6 square, plus 2 plus 4, 6 square. That will be 36 plus 36, 72 square root. That will be, while using calculator, you can get 6 root 2 units. Okay. Similarly, let us find out DC. So this AB and DC are the opposite sides. If we can show that this AB equal to DC, BC equal to AD, then we can prove that this ABCD are the vertices of the parallelogram. So DC equals to, here also x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root over 8 minus 2 square plus 16 minus 10 square root over to this. That will be 6 square plus 6 square. Here same result we will get, 6 root 2 units. Okay, so AB and DC both equal, we have found out. And also BC equals to, here also x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, we will find out 8 minus 8 square plus 16 minus 2 square root over this, that is 0 square plus 16 minus 2, 14 square, root over that. So 14 square root over will be 14 only, and AD equals to AD in this also x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y0 square, 2 minus 2 square plus 10 minus 4 square, that will be 0 square plus 14 square root over this. 0 plus 14 square is 14 square only. Square root of this is 14. Okay, since AB equals to DC and BC equals to AD. Okay, AB is 6 root 2, DC is also 6 root 2, AB and DC both equal to 6 root 2, and here BC is 14, AD is also 14. Okay, this BC and this AD both are equal. Okay, this BC is 14 from this, and this AD is also 14 from this. Okay, both are equal. Similarly, AB from here 6 root 2, DC from here also 6 root 2, AB equals to DC, BC equals to AD, that is opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal. The quadrilateral having opposite sides equal is known as parallelogram. Hence, A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. So this is proved. Okay, we have proved that these are the vertices of the parallelogram. And if the question asks to show this to be rectangle, then your opposite sides equal we have to show, and in addition to this, to show rectangle, length of the diagonal also we should show equal. Okay, or one angle 90 degree also we can show. This hypotenuse square equal to p square plus b square also can be shown. Okay, that will be clear from next question. Okay, now in this question, what question asks, so that the points 0, 4, 2, 2, 8, 8 and 6, 10 are the vertices of a rectangle. We have to show that these are the vertices of the rectangle. Now look at the solution to this question. Let A 0, 4, B 2, 2, C 8, 8 and D 6, 10 are the vertices of given quadrilateral. Okay, we have not proved this, it is a rectangle. So before proving, we can call this as a quadrilateral, and if it satisfies all the qualities of the rectangle, then only we can call it as a rectangle. So now let us draw a rough diagram for this. We have to show rectangle, so let us draw a figure which looks like rectangle. It is rough diagram. These points, while plotting actually in the graph, may be in the different place, but we can simply write like this way: A 0, 4, B 2, 2, C 8, 8, D 6, 10. Okay, and here using distance formula, AB equals to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root over 2 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 4 square, that will be 2 square plus minus 2 square. So 2 square means it is 4, plus minus 2 square means minus 2 times minus 2, that will also be 4. So that will be root over 8. So root over 8 means you can write 4 times 2, that will be 2 root 2 units. And therefore A equal to root 2 units. Let us find out DC as well. DC equals to 8 minus 6 square plus 8 minus 10 square. We have used distance formula here also, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square and root over to that. 8 minus 6, that is minus 2 square plus 8 minus 10, that is minus 2 square. Okay, 8 minus 6, that is plus 2 square, okay, because bigger one is smaller. So this will also be 4 plus 4, 8 root over, that will be 2 root 2 units, okay. Therefore DC equals to, we have got 2 root 2 units. Also BC equals to, also using distance formula, 8 minus 2 square plus 8 minus 2 square, 6 square plus 6 square, 36 plus 36, 72. This 72 you can write as 36 times 2, and that will be 6 root 2 units here. As you are allowed to use calculator in class 8, so in this 72 root over 72 directly calculator gives you 6 root 2 units. Therefore BC equals 6 root 2, and we also need to find out AD. Okay, AD also using distance formula we can find out 6 minus 0 square plus 10 minus 4 square. This implies AD equals to 6 minus 0 square, that is 6 square, 36, plus 10 minus 4 square, 6 square, that is also 36. That will be 72. And like before, square root of 72 is 6 root 2 units. 6 root 2 units. Okay. Here what we have found out that AB equals to DC. Okay. Here AB equals to DC. AB is 2 root 2. DC also 2 root 2. Similarly, BC equals to AD. BC 6 root 2. And AD is also 6 root 2. Opposite sides we have shown equal. That means now it became a parallelogram, but still we have to show that it is a rectangle. And to show rectangle, diagonal AC equals to BD. If we can show, then it becomes rectangle. Okay. The parallelogram having diagonal equal is known as rectangle. This shows that AB equals to DC, BC equals to AD, that is opposite sides of the quadrilateral, okay, are equal. Now we'll find out length of the diagonals AC using distance formula. AC using distance formula we can find out x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y square, 8 minus 0 square plus 8 minus 4 square, that will be 8 minus 0 square, 8 square 64, plus 8 minus 4, 4 square, 4 4 is 16, that will be 6 plus 4 10, carry was 1 2 plus 6 8 80, that will be 80 means you can write 4 times, here 4 times 20, that is 4 times 5 also we can write, and it will be 4 root 5 units. Okay, AC will be 4 root 5 units. Also, let us find out diagonal BD. BD equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, 6 minus 2 square plus 10 minus 2 square. There is no minus. Okay, by mistake it is written here, so I have corrected here. It's nothing here. 6 minus 2 square plus 10 minus 2 square, that will be 4 square plus 4 square, sorry 8 square here, 10 minus 2, that will be 16 plus 64, it will be 80, and that 80 will be like before, it will be 16 times 5, that will be 4 root 5 units. Therefore BD equals to 4 root 5 units. This shows that a diagonals AC and BD are equal, and already we have shown that opposite sides are equal. Okay, already we have shown that opposite sides of the quadrilateral are equal, hence given points are the vertices of a rectangle. Hence given points are the vertices of a rectangle. Okay, so these given points are the vertices of a rectangle, because here what we have shown is we have shown AB equals to DC, opposite side equal, and here BC equals to AD, opposite sides equal, and we have also shown that diagonal AC equals to BD. So the parallelogram having a length of the diagonal equal is known as rectangle. So first we have shown AB equal to DC and BC equal to AD, and after showing AB equal to DC, BC equal to AD, this became parallelogram. Okay, and in this parallelogram we have shown AC diagonal equals to BD diagonal, and after showing diagonal equal, this parallelogram became rectangle. Okay, and in this way we can prove rectangle. And in similar type of questions, if we have to show these are the points of a square, at the time what can be done is we have to show all sides equal, AB equal to BC equal to CD equals to DA, and we can show length of the diagonal also equal. Okay, a figure having all sides equal and length of diagonal also equal is a square. And if we have to show the figure is a rhombus, for rhombus what can be done is we have to show all sides equal. To show rhombus we can show all sides equal, and the length of the diagonal unequal, then the figure becomes rhombus. Okay, so for showing rhombus, the process is same. We should show all sides equal, and we also need to show that the diagonals are not equal. Okay, in rhombus, diagonal will not be equal, but all sides are equal. That is the difference between square and rhombus. In square, all sides equal, and diagonal also equal, but in rhombus, all sides equal, but diagonal will not be equal. In this way, different questions, different word problems of distance formula can be solved. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it right now so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press the bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.